G'day kids, thanks for tuning in to another Aussie episode. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that way you won't miss out on any of the new videos we put out, and it would certainly make my day. In the meantime, enjoy this video.
Aussie, 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 oi. Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day kids, Ozzie here. Today we're going to learn about St. Patrick's Day, or as it's commonly known, St. Paddy's Day. But what is it? Well, St. Paddy's Day is a celebration of Irish culture and it happens every year on March 17. Now some people get dressed up as leprechauns, which is like a fairy. It's not real, it's a male and he has a red beard and wears a green top hat. And it's also celebrated by wearing the colour green, which is the national colour of Ireland. Now I've been told that if you don't wear green on St. Paddy's Day, you can get pinched by one of those naughty little leprechauns. Cheeky little fellas they are. Now many cities around the world, including Sydney and Brisbane, right here in Australia, have parades for St. Paddy's Day, which is where you can hear live Irish music and see lots of really cool Irish dancing. And that, kids, is why today we're going to be treated to a very cool Irish dancing class. Now I can't wait to get inside, so come on, let's get stuck in. So we're in the beginners class here and you can see that there's a range of ages. We've got a little 3-year-old at the end, right through to an 8-year-old here. So lots of different ages, and there's a little spot for me right in the middle there. So I'm going to go and join in and see if I can do it. fun. Can I join your class every week? So much fun. All right, yes, you got it. You'll miss. I know you'll miss. You got to watch the hands. Yes. First go. Second go. I reckon you got it first go. Look at that. Yes. Evan, Glenn. Now, this group of girls, this is the open age group. So we have ages from 7 right through to 15. And some of these kids are super, super talented. So some of the girls in this group actually won the state championships in solo and in teams, and we've also got 2 world qualifiers here. So I'm in amongst some of the most talented Irish dancers in Australia. I'm pretty lucky, aren't I? What we've been watching is the girls do their warm-ups, and now they're doing a step out, which is where they start to do some of their routine that forms part of their dance. It's really, really awesome. Now, I would go and give this a try, but you can see that some of these moves are pretty advanced. I think it's just a little bit beyond Ozzie's ability right now. And they make it look so easy. It looks so cool to watch. So all of these dances that we've been watching is part of what's called soft shoe dancing. You can see that the shoes that they're wearing are quite soft and they're quiet. We're going to check it out a little bit later, but there's also hard shoe dancing that makes up Irish dancing. It's just so awesome. So this type of dance is called a forehand reel, and there's 4 people involved, and it's a team dance, as you can see. And these girls are quite senior here at Higgins Academy of Irish Dance, and they compete at state and national level with this kind of dance. Girls are putting on a performance for us now. They're doing what's called a show dance. This is what they would do as part of a show. And it's called a treble reel. Let's check it out. How amazing is that? So what a super fun afternoon it's been here at Higgins Academy of Irish Dance. Kids, I've had lots of fun learning some of the steps of Irish dancing. I've certainly got a long way to go until I'm half as good as some of these kids. Aren't they awesome? Kids, I hope you've enjoyed it and hopefully you feel inspired to give Irish dancing a try for yourself. We'll see you on our next video, kids, and until then, stay keen. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Ozzie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids, and until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right, stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi. Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of